Everyone, Double P here. Welcome. So, in today's trading session, we traded the SPY, and it was a very profitable trade for us. So, this is my end of the day recap for my Platinum X Power Option Trader groups. So, what I'm going to do is, first of all, go over the trade. So, first of all, here's my account. You see that right there. It's margin right there, full blown account margin. So let me come out of here and clear the garbage because this is backing up once again. Let me come over here back to my charts, and for those, once again for the last 3 years, everything's real-time feeds for me. It says partially delayed data there because I don't do futures. So stock is in real time. MX, NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, all real-time feeds. Come over here, equity options, real-time futures and futures options. I don't trade them. So where I am, where I built my platform, I'm not supposed to be doing futures. So it's kind of delayed. It's a long story, whatever. So I don't need futures. There's lots of different ways for me to look up futures anyways, still on this platform, but it's delayed by 20 minutes, whatever. Forex real time, others real time, margin account, full blown account. So 940, I sent out the trade to my guys. So let's go over to 940, which would be right around here. So I told my guys, this is the option that we're getting. 940, that's the time right now. You see everything's going in real time. So we took that trade right around here. Very nice trade. You see here that I have my mark still set up. This is when I'm supposed to take my profit when the option, you see it right here, is greater than $2.60, and that was my stop loss, is $1.75. Still hasn't hit it. Here's the option that I sent out to my guys. It was the October 12th, 2022, 355 strike put. So you see that right there. And I exited out before the high, around 257 or so. Right now it's at 238. Great trade. You see here I got the 3-day, 1-hour chart on, and as I always tell my members, and I'm telling everybody else, the content that I give you guys is content to help you with your option trading. So for my Platinum X Power option traders, these guys have been making killer money, right? If they're following my trades and they're getting in and getting out when they're supposed to, they're making killer money. For those of you that are not in my program, I've been doing this for literally 3 years, and you've been seeing me posting all of September, and I'm giving recaps pretty much every day or every other day. So this is not a joke. This is the real deal. This is the real thing, right? So the indicator suites that I use, everything is sped up. What I wanted to let you really know is you need to have a system. So when you work your system and when you let the system work for you, you're going to have fantastic results. So, you know what I mean? At first you work the system because you have to get the system down, and you have to test it, then you have to refine it, then you have to optimize it, then you scale it. So I'm at that point now where I've done those levels. So that's why the course is the way the course is, and that's why we're getting such great results. Have I blown out an account or two? Absolutely. I don't know any valid real trader that has not blown out their accounts. So if that's what you're thinking, yeah, I've blown out accounts, and I posted my losses all the time on across social media. So I'm not hiding anything, right? So it is what it is, right? There's losses, there's wins. Now I've got the system pretty much down where I'm very comfortable with it. I'm very acutely aware of what's going on. I know what to look for. I know what kind of equities and ETFs and stocks and securities to get into. I know what to stay away from. I have a I have a fantastic watch list of what I'm looking at. So that's what you need to have a system. That's what you need to have a complete system. So that being said, I just want to send that out there to you. Great trade today. I was out at plus 22% or so for the day. Awesome trade. So, and I said, you're looking at right here. I let the system work for me. So I don't go hunting for stocks. I don't go frantically running around trying to figure out what am I going to trade today? What's going on in the market? I don't care what's going on in the market, right? My system's built, right? I get my alerts. Let me come over here and show you, right? Once again, I get all my alerts. I get all my alerts coming to me, right? Everything's all set up. So I know exactly if I was to take, for example, if I was to take CRM right here, it's near a 52-week low. It's decreased by minus 3% on the 1 hour, on the 1 day chart. I mean, I could go in there and attack that all day long, right? Because I know exactly what I need to do because the system, like I've built out my scanners very specifically and I know exactly what to do without hesitation, right? The system tells me exactly what to do, right? So that's what you need, right? And I go over this inside of the course. So that being said, hope you like the end of the day recap. Once again, I mean, here's what you look at. This is order flow, right? This is the ES. This is the ES, right? It's order flow. I look at the NQ, right? This order flow. I look at the SPX. You know what I mean? This is like a $3,500 product, right? This is the hedging vehicle, right? I look at this, right? I look at energy. I look at the industrial transportations. I look at the VIX, obviously, right? And I look at the bonds. The bond market is literally like 10 times bigger than the stock market, right? So whatever's going on in the bond market is going to ripple over here, right? It's going to ripple over here, right? This is pure order flow, right? This tells me what the heck is going on, right? And this is the financials. This is a glimpse of an entire market snapshot of what I need to look at every day on a day-to-day basis. And you see what's going on right here, right? So that being said, my name is Double P. I don't want to make this video any longer than it's supposed to be. So for my Platinum X power option traders, this is how you set everything up. You've got it inside of the course. I've created modules for you. You know where we are. You know how to trade. I'm very blessed that you continue to support me as I support you, and we're going and taking this ride together. Love it. You guys are very profitable. Things are happening. Love it. This market is unwinding. I love it. I don't care up, down, sideways. I don't give a rat's ass what the market does, what direction the market goes in. I am trading agnostic. I am market neutral, or I don't have a bias in the market. I don't care, right? Up, down, sideways, we will make money in any direction that whatever the market throws at us, because we got a system. The system is built for profitability, plain and simple. So that being said, Double P over and out. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care.